really be nice if you didn't have to give up on performance at the same time to achieve that, because that's very important too. Well, Dodge feels the exact same way, and that is why they created the Dodge Circuit. And if you're really familiar with their brand, then you also know that it's really not a Dodge brand product if it doesn't have the guts to get you there. So yes, the Dodge Circuit EV can definitely get you there with zero fuel and zero emissions. Now, the Circuit utilizes our leading-edge NV electric drive systems technology, which has about 3 major parts to it. First one being that electric motor to help power the wheels. Then an advanced lithium-ion battery to help power the electric drive motor, and then a controller to help manage the energy flow. Now, this 2-passenger performance sports car definitely marries rear-wheel drive with electric propulsion. It does put out 268 horsepower with 258 foot-pounds of torque. Can take you from 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds, and can cover the quarter mile in just under 13 seconds, all while topping out at 120 miles per hour. So keep in mind that those are very impressive numbers when you're talking about a vehicle that's strictly all battery with no gas generator assistance. Now, of course, working with the latest and advanced lithium-ion battery technology, the Dodge Circuit EV does have a continuous driving range of up to 200 miles. Now, let's say we're driving to work every day or driving to school. When you break that down, that's pretty much more than triple the average daily commute for most consumers. And as you can see, recharging is very easy because we're actually recharging it right now for Regis and Kelly tomorrow. But you're going to plug that into a standard 110-volt household power outlet, let it recharge overnight, and then to cut the recharging time in half, you can also use a typical 220 household appliance line too. So as you can see, the Dodge Circuit EV is very simple and efficient. Now, the 200 kilowatt motor is actually in the rear of the vehicle. It has just one moving part and boasts about 90% efficiency to the wheel, which is really far more superior to the gas engines that we're using today that have hundreds of moving parts. But really keep in mind that those gas engines only really use about 30% of their kinetic energy, so that's something to think about. So with the Dodge Circuit EV, you're really never going to have to slow down to keep the planet clean, and then you're also never going to have to stop at another gas station either. So that should definitely put a smile on your face. Now, this is how we do things over here. We wouldn't just kind of make one electric concept vehicle and tease you with it, because that's not fun. So we actually have 5 for the entire division, 3 of which are here. This is the only one of the 5 that is all battery. The other 4 do have a gas generator. Really just functions the same as the alternator in your car, just to recharge the battery. Now this, we of course with the Dodge Circuit EV, over by Spike, we have the Chrysler 200C EV. We also have the Town & Country EV, Jeep Wrangler EV, and Jeep Patriot EV. And I'm very happy to tell you that of those 5 electric drive concept vehicles, actually 4 of them are coming out starting next year. So the first one comes out 2010, 3 more in 2013. So you got to see which one is going to come first. Keep your eyes open. But if you'd like more info on our new family of electric drive vehicles, please go to ChryslerGoesElectric.com. And make sure while you're here, talk to one of our product specialists about our Employee Pricing Plus program that's going on. Also, don't forget about our full Dodge truck display as well as the Jeep display in the basement. So again, thanks for stopping by. Feel free to stick around and enjoy the rest of the show.